through this confusion, however, are taking inspiration from the situation, coming up with unique ideas, inventing the new normal. For instance, regular hand washing with soap and water has been widely recommended as one of the most effective ways of stopping the spread of the virus. To a group of young, ingenious entrepreneurs, this is not just a preventative measure, it is a glaring business opportunity. They have innovated a hand washing kit that automatically releases soap detergent without contact and allows users to rub and scrub their hands with soap for 20 seconds before water is released for rinsing. It also has audio guided interaction for self-user training.
Tucked away in Kawala, a Kampala suburb, is an agile startup led by a team of young innovators with different qualifications and skills. Badaya Technologies Limited develops and improves innovative but sustainable and scalable business solutions. In the wake of the pandemic, this group of youthful graduates from local universities put their heads together, leveraging on local research and technological manufacturing to develop a green local starchless hand washing kit.
Wash your hands with soap as you wait for water. Place your hands for water.
We are basically young engineers. Most of us are graduates from different universities in Uganda who decided to come up together to develop future technologies that are going to help the country and the world at large. When the COVID-19 started in China, in 2019, we thought it could not reach us here. So by the time it reached the country, it means that we needed a solution that could help to curb the spread of COVID-19. And one of the solutions was, one, effective hand washing, then limiting contact with surfaces. So we thought of how can we develop a technology that can limit contact with surfaces, ensuring effective hand washing with soap for 20 seconds as recommended by the World Health Organization. And that's why we started to work on this and develop this.
During use, an ultrasonic sensor detects one hand, which triggers release of regulated amount of liquid soap, just enough to make lather, and a 20-second countdown digital beep. After the 20-second, the beeps automatically turn off, compelling the user to collect enough water for rinsing.
Wash your hands with soap as you wait for water.
The kit has a rectangular cabin and pentagonal stands to house and support the entire components, including the electronic system, a 20-liter water and a 10-liter soap detergent reservoirs.
We have not only stopped at the touchless hand wash kit, we have also partnered with different entities. For example, the Biomedical Engineering Unit at Makerere University, Joint Medical Stores, to develop some of the technologies. For example, the amp bag ventilator that we have is still here at our offices. We are engaging different partners on how best as Badai we can participate to see that we can have technologies that are going to help for the future, and that's very good for us.
Inspired by the Silicon Valley, Uganda's entrepreneurs are relentlessly coming up with life-changing innovations. But many of these innovations and inventions do not live to stay longer than the prototype phase. Ruth Musoke Bienzika, the head of Skills Development Facility at Private Sector Foundation Uganda, chats a way forward.
For seed money and also low-cost financing to enable them do product development with IT-based technology. Importantly, keep your integrity. A number of people want to work with young people, want to work with people who are doing startups, but a number of them don't have integrity. Once you have integrity and you have a good innovation, the sky is the limit. You definitely get somebody to work with you.
The COVID-19 pandemic has clearly confirmed the maxim that crisis breeds innovation and opportunity. We have been reminded that World War II yielded the first programmable digital computers as well as unexpected